Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a balayage foil combo while creating internal depth but also getting those ends nice and bright. So I am balayaging right now with Redken Freehand 30 volume. I am feathering up that lightener a little bit up to her scalp but not all the way. It is a really nice blend, so it's very gradient and gradual, and then I concentrate the lightener on the ends to get a brighter pop. So those first two sections were diagonal back, and then I did a T-parting and teed off that middle. So after I worked all the way up until I got to that top back V section, I'm going to start using foils. So the first one I did a chunky weave with a tease, and then the next one I'm going to just do a slice with a tease, and then just keep alternating that combo until I get up to the top of that section. So by not taking the lightener all the way up to the root area, once we get to that top section, you're going to see how it creates that pop by leaving some depth in the root and then having the foils on top go closer to the root. You're going to notice how you get those highs and lows, and those bright blonde pieces on top are just going to stand out that much more. It also creates a softer look, which a lot of my guests love. And around the hairline right here, I am doing 4 really close baby lights back to back. And then I will start to spread out my foils a little bit as I work my way to the back of the head. But my clients really love that bright effect in the front, that many piece. So I do a ton of detailing work with my clients around the hairline. I just realized that I didn't say what my foiling formula was. It is Redken Flash Lift with Bonder in 20 volume. So now that that's processed and rinsed out, I am going through and smudging the root with Redken JTQ 6N and 6NB, and then brushing through with a wet brush. I love the blend that I get with a wet brush. It is my go-to when smudging. My Oliver glass is a 9GB, 9B, and 9N. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you love this video.